Dear third standard students, in the previous class we discussed and learnt about face value and place value. Did you understand what is the difference between face value and place value? So, what is the meaning of face value and place value? If they have given some numbers, in that numbers, for example here 5437. So here face value of one's place, that means in one's place what is the number here? 7. This 7 is the face value. And in one's place, what is the number? 7. So 7 ones, 7 into 1. That means we have to multiply that place. For that number, if you are going to multiply the place, so that number should be place value. Just the number is itself. For example, 7. 7 is face value. 3. 3 is face value. 4, it is face value. And 5 is face value. And here, in the place value, you have to multiply that place. For example, 7 is in 1's place. So 7 ones are 7. 3 is in 10's place. 3 into 10 is 30. 4 into 4 is in 100 place. So 4 into 100 is 400. 5 is in 1000 place. So 5 into 1000 is 5000. Okay. So it is the difference between face value and place value. This all we have discussed in the previous class. So today, let us discuss and learn in the exercise. What is the exercise 1.2? So what is the question here? First one, write the face value and the place value of each digit in the following numbers. One has been done for you. So what is this meaning? One has been done for you. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು? ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದಾರೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ ನಾವು ಉಳಿದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಡನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಹಿಯರ್ they have given the numbers here 3809. This 9 face value is 9 and here 0 0. So 8, its face value is 8 and 3 face value is 3. But here place value. Place value means 9 is in one's place. So 9 into 1. 9 ones are 9 and 0 into 10 is 0. If you are going to multiply 0 with any number, that answer should be 0. And here 8. 8 is multiplied by, it is in which place? 8 is in 100 place. So 8 into 100 is 800. And here 3 is in 1000 place. So 3 into 1000 is 3000. So already they have given and done one problem. By using and by applying the same pattern, we must solve these remaining 3 problems. Is it looking properly? Here, and one more problem is 4157. Same as it is, we have to mention here. How to mention this? See here, face value of 7 is 7, isn't it? And 5 is 5. But place value of 7. 7 is in which place? Is it in ones or tens or hundreds or thousands? So it is ones place. So you have to multiply by 1. 7 into 1 is 7, isn't it? Is it clear now how to do this? And 5. 5 is in which place? 5 is in tens place. So 5 into 10 is equal to what is the answer? 5 tens are 50. Like that we have to multiply the place. We have to multiply the place of the number. But for face value, that value should be itself only. That means ಅದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ 7 ಅದ್ರ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 7 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 5 into 10. We have to multiply for the place value. But for face value, no need to multiply. That value should be itself only. Okay? Is it clear now? What is the difference between face value and place value? So, how to write that? How to write it? Say now 4 1. Here exercise 1.2. 4157. Is it looking properly? Here face value face value and place value. So for this face value 7, face value is 7, and next 5, 5, 1, 1, next last is 4. Isn't it? Did you understand how to write the face value? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ face value ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ? So next let us write this place value of this number. 7. 7 is in which place? Ones. So 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Next 5 is in which place? 5 into 10 is equal to 50. Next is 1 into, so while writing in the notes you must write like this. See how they have given in the textbook, you must write like this. You have to put the column also and you have to show by arrow mark. Okay. So 1 into 100 is equal to 100 and 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000. Did you understand? So this is the place value of 7514. This is the face value of 7514. Did you understand how to write it? So next one is here 9024. For this face value 4209. You must write this, okay? And place value of this is 4 into, you must write with the place also. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. 0 into 100 is equal to 0. If you are going to multiply this 0 with any number, that answer should be 0. ನೀವು 0 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 0. So 9 into 1000. So 9 is in 1000 place. So we have to multiply by 1000. 9 into 1000 is equal to 9000. Did you understand? Did you understand this how to write? And as it is, you have to write for this also. Write this face value of these numbers. After that, place value of this number. How to write it? So 0 into 1, 4 into 10, 1 into 100, 6 into 1000. After multiplying you must write this answer here. Is it clear now? Did you understand this? How to write this? So what is in the second main? Write in the standard form. How to write it in the standard form? Did I show in examples? I shown you 3 examples, isn't it? So in that first one example is write in the standard form or short form. So that we have to write. Already they have given in the expanded form. By using that expanded form we have to write it in the short form. What is that question? $3,000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 8. So this we have to write it in the short form. How to write it? 3158. So after adding what you will get the answer. That answer should be written here. So that is the standard form of this expanded form. Is it clear now? If they are giving in expanded form, you must write it in the short form. Okay, that is should be standard form. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಅವ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋದೇ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So next one, if you are not getting answer directly, you can write it in the rough notebook here or in right side. See here 3000 and 100, next 50, next 8. You add and write it. Okay. So what is next one? Are you writing? You must write it in the notes also. Second one, 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 1. See here 1231. Directly if you want you can write it 1231. So this is the standard form of these numbers. Did you understand? And will you write for this also here 9000 and here 100, 60. Is there any number in ones place? Ones place alli enara number idya? Illa alva. So what we have to write in that? It should be 0. 9000 plus 100 plus 60. How to write it? 9160. It is not here in ones place 1 or 2 or 3. Just it will be 0. So that answer will be 9160. This is the standard or short form of this number. Is it clear now? So did you understand how to do this problem? Here already they have given 3 problems to do at home. How many problems are there? 3 problems are there. D, E, F. So will you do that? You must do that problems in the notes also and in the homework book. So all these problems you have to write 2 times in the homework book. But in notes only 1 time. Is it clear? Okay, enough today.